The next presentation is by Dr. Honiya on exploring cultural sustainability through tourism.
Okay. Namaskara. I am Honiya Dakpe and I'm a research scholar from Delhi School of Economics, Department of Geography, University of Delhi. And today I will be presenting on exploring cultural sustainability through tourism, a case study of Tagin tribe from Arunachal Pradesh, Upper Subansiri district, under the supervision of Professor Binday Vasini Pandey sir. Now, when we listen about or when we talk about Arunachal Pradesh and the people and the tribe who reside there, it's very easy and it's very recognizable that many of us, we know about Monpa tribe, we know about Apatani tribe from Zero Valley. But how many of we know about or heard about Tagin tribe? I'm sure not many of us. So today, let's embark on a journey where we explore the cultural sustainability and the cultural heritage of Tagin tribe, who are one of the indigenous tribes from Arunachal Pradesh. A small introduction, who are Tagins? In Arunachal Pradesh, there are total 26 major tribes and more than 100 sub-tribes. And in Arunachal Pradesh, if I tell you, there are more than 1,000 languages, and this makes Arunachal Pradesh the highest, largest linguistic state in entire India. I would like to say that our culture is our identity, and these local tribes, they are in a very vulnerable landscape, so we cannot adopt the mainland development factor in this region. That's why the cultural tourism could be one of the very much sustainable initiative in order to preserve and protect their culture. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Honiya. No, it's very nice that at least we also come to know about the diversity that is there in our country and especially in the northeastern region.
Excellent presentation. We must all compliment. Let's give her a very big hand. She's from Arunachal Pradesh.
So this was a small video of me presenting my paper at UNESCO. I can't explain how privileged I felt and how overwhelming it was an experience for me. When I posted this on Instagram or also on Facebook, I didn't realize or I didn't know that I would get such overwhelming experience or responses from people, and I think that made me inbuilt confidence in me and also inspired me to make a small clip of this experience of mine and share it on YouTube as well. Many of the people, they were asking me about, Honiya, aap itne saal se kahan the? Why are you not posting any kind of videos? तो मैं इतने साल से खुद को अपने आप को बिल्ड कर रहा था ताकि मैं ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म पे अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकूं. एंड आई थिंक यूनिवर्स वांटेड मी टू कम बैक through this UNESCO platform. So after the presentation, many of the people across India, they came to me and they were saying that, Honiya, you did so well. They wanted to know more about Arunachal Pradesh, know more about Tagin tribes. I am from Nishi tribe from Kamle district, and it was a great challenge for me to understand Tagin tribe from the crux. So, अगर मैं जितनी भी तागिन कम्युनिटी है फ्रॉम दापुरिजो, तलिया, सियुम, नाचो, तकसिंग, तो ऑल ऑफ देम, अगर मैं यहाँ से उनको आज थैंक यू नहीं बोलती हूँ तो आई थिंक मैं जस्टिस नहीं कर रही हूँ. So thank you to each and everybody. Because of you all, I was able to present at UNESCO. So another reason for me to make this small video is to convey a message to all the youngsters that if a small town girl from Arunachal Pradesh could reach up to this platform, then आप सब भी कर सकते हो. Just stay focused, stay positive and work on yourself. इसी के साथ I'm very much happy to announce that I am re-beginning my YouTube journey. I will be coming soon with my travel vlog and also other kind of interesting videos. So please stay tuned, and also as usual, do shower me your love, and also like, comment, share and subscribe to my video. Thank you so much, so much to all my supervisor, to all my mentors, professors, all my colleagues. Thank you so much. With this, bye.